Now student, we solve question number 5 from exercise 1.1. देखो स्टूडेंट इसका सॉल्यूशन डिस्कस करते हैं. क्वेश्चन केयरफुली रीड करना है स्टूडेंट. इन ट्रायंगल एबीसी मेजर एंगल ए 7 pi by 36 radians. Measure angle B is 120 degree. Find the measure angle C. देखो स्टूडेंट, इन ट्रायंगल एबीसी एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी के अनुसार एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी क्या होता है, 180 डिग्रीज होता है. यहाँ पे मेजर एंगल ए दिया है. मेजर एंगल ए इज 7 pi by 36 रेडियंस. दैट इज 7 pi by, इसको डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 36 into 180 by pi. Pi will get cancel. 18 2s are 36. 18 1s are 18, 10. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. That is equals to 75 degrees. 35 degrees. एंगल ए 35 डिग्री है. एंगल बी है 120 डिग्री. एंड वी नो दैट ए प्लस बी प्लस सी इज 180 डिग्री. देयरफॉर 35 डिग्री प्लस 120 डिग्री plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, measure angle C equal to 180 degree minus 155 degrees. 180 degree minus 155 degree, that is equals to, students, we get 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 5 2, 25 degrees. Now 20 angle measure 25 degrees equals to 25 into pi by 180. Now students, next step, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 36. That is 5 pi by 36 radians. तो मेजर एंगल C जो है 125 डिग्री और 5 pi by 36 radians. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस कंप्लीट्स द एंगल. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन हो गया स्टूडेंट. नाउ सेकंड वन, सिक्स्थ वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्या स्टूडेंट? टू एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर 5 pi by 9 and 5 pi by 18. Find the measure degree and radian of third angle in triangle. Now the third angle B theta. Therefore, we know that angle sum property, that is 5 pi by 9 plus 5 pi by 18 plus theta equals to 180 degree. 180 degrees or pi radians. Now students, theta equals to pi minus, इन दोनों का सम, minus 5 pi by 9 minus 5 pi by 9 plus minus 5 pi by 18. LCM आ गया 18 स्टूडेंट्स. 1 9 और 18 का LCM आ गया 18. 18 pi minus 10 pi minus 5 pi. तो स्टूडेंट्स 18 minus 15, that is 18 minus 15, that is 3 pi by 18, that is equals to pi by 6 radians. Therefore, measure of third angle is pi by 6 radians or 30 degrees. थर्ड एंगल का जो मेजर होगा वो pi by 6 radians और 30 डिग्री होगा स्टूडेंट्स. Now we solve seventh one. In a right angle triangle, right angle triangle में जो है तो स्टूडेंट्स one एंगल तो 90 डिग्री का होगा. The acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. Acute angle in the ratio 4:5. Find angle in degrees and radian. Therefore 4x plus 5x is equal to 90 degree. 9x इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री है, क्योंकि दो एक राइट एंगल का दो एक्यूट एंगल की सम क्या होगी 90 डिग्री होगी, तो रेशियो दे है 4:5. 4x plus 5x equals to 90. x equals to 10 degree. x equals to क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स 10 डिग्री. therefore 4x is equal to 40 डिग्री. इसको रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे 40 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. now 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18, that is 2 pi by 9 radians. एक एंगल मिल गया. दूसरा है 5x, that is 5 into 10 50 degrees. 50 into pi by 180, that is cancel, that is 5 pi by 18 radians, or last one is pi by 2 radians or 90 degrees. Therefore three angles are 2 pi by 9 radians, 5 pi by 18 radians, and last one is pi by 2 radians. These are the measures of three angles in degrees and radians. Degrees में 40, 50, 90. Radian में 2 pi by 9, 5 pi by 18, and pi by 2 radians. After we solve that, solution. The sum of two angles is 5 pi radian, and the difference is 60 degrees. Find the measures of in degrees. Let x and y measure of two angles. देखो students, now sum of two angles is 5 pi radians. X plus y equals to 5 pi, that is 5 into 180. Pi radius is 180, that is 900 degrees, and we call it equation number 1. And difference in x minus y is 60 degrees. Now adding 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2x equals to 960. X equals to 960 divided by 2, that is equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Therefore x equals to 480, y equals to 900 minus 4, क्योंकि x plus y क्या है 900 है, that is equals to 420. Therefore measure of two angles are 420 degree and 480 degrees. Their sum is 900 and their difference is 60 degree. This completes the solution for question number 8. Now student, we solve question number 9 from this exercise 1.1. क्या है question number 9 student? Read carefully. The measure of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:7:8. Find their measure in degree and radian. Angle of a triangle का ratio दिया है students. तो measure of angles, measure of angles of a triangle B, ये क्या दिया है 3:7:x है, तो हम 3x, 7x, 8x. Now by using angle sum property, 3x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 180 degrees. By using angle sum property, we can write 3x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 18x is equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 10 degree. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 18, x equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 10 degree. Therefore, measure of angles are measure of angles are x की वैल्यू होगी 3x 3 into 10 30 डिग्री 30 डिग्रीज का रेडियन में क्या होता है 30 into pi by 180 that is pi by 6 radians. Next 7x that is 7 into 10 70 degree 70 into pi by 180 that is 7 pi by 18 radians 7 pi by 18 radians students. Now last one 8x है that is 8 into 10 that is 80 degrees 80 into pi by 180 0 0 cancel 2 4s are 8 2 9s are 18 4 pi by 9 radians. This is about the measure of angles in a triangle. Now next one student अभी 10 नंबर का एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं 10 नंबर का क्वेश्चन केयरफुली रीड करो. The measure of the angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression. Triangle के एंगल जो arithmetic progression में and greatest is 5 times the least. जो सबसे बड़ा मेजर वाला एंगल है वो लेस एंगल के 5 टाइम्स है. Find the angles in degrees and radian. Now measure of a triangle. Measure of angles of a triangle B A minus D A and A plus D. वो क्या अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में 3 एंगल्स के अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है. तो हमने 3 टर्म्स इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन A minus D A and A plus D. Now students therefore A minus D plus A plus A plus D equals to 180 degrees क्योंकि ये ट्रायंगल के 3 एंगल के मेजर है. Now therefore D कैंसिल होता है 3A equals to 180 degrees A equals to 60 degrees. Now one more thing, greatest is 5 times the least. Greatest is 5 times the least. Means A plus D is equal to 5 times A minus D. Equals to this. A plus D equals to 5 times A minus D. Therefore, A plus D equals to 5A minus 5D. Now, therefore, 4A equals to 6D. ये हमने इधर शिफ्ट किया माइनस से हो गया 5D इधर किया प्लस 5D. Therefore, D equals to 4A upon 6. A is given 4 into 60 divided by 6. That is 40. Common difference भी आपके सामने है. D और A मालूम है. Then you have to find the 3 measures of angle. Therefore, A minus D equals to 60 minus 40. That is equals to 20. A plus D equals to 60 plus 40. That is 100. Therefore, measure of 3 angles of a triangle are 20 degree, 60 degree and 100 degree. And in radians भी चाहिए हमें. Therefore 20 degree equals to 20 into pi by 180. Now student, we discuss question number 11 from exercise 1.1. Now we read the question carefully students. In a cyclic quadrilateral, two adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi by 3 radians. Find the angles of the quadrilateral in degree. See a student solution. are 40 degree and pi by 3 radians, that is 60 degree. 40 degree and 60 degree. We know that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Let x and y be opposite angles of the angles 40 degree and 60 degree respectively. Okay, therefore x plus 40 degree equals to 180, therefore x equals to 140 degrees. और second one देखते हैं students, y plus 60 degree equals to 180, therefore y equal to 120. Now remaining two angles of a quadrilateral are 140 degree and 120 degree. Therefore angles of the quadrilateral in degree are given is 40 degree, second one 60 degree, 140 degree, 120. Final answer. This completes the solution for question number 11. Now student, we discuss the question number 12. Now we read the question carefully. One angle of a quadrilateral has 2 pi by 5 radians, and the value of the other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the measure in degree and radians. One angle given, and it is in the form of radian measure. तो देखो स्टूडेंट, सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा इसका? One angle of quadrilateral has measured 2 pi by 5 radians, that is 2 pi by 5 into 180 by 5. Pi will be cancelled, that is equals to 72 degrees. One angle of a quadrilateral is 70 degrees. Let other three angles of a quadrilateral are 2x, 3x and 4x respectively. Remaining three angles are 2x, 3x and 4x. Now, by angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of quadrilateral? क्या है angle sum property quadrilateral की? Sum of measure of four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore 72 degree plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360 degrees. Now 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360 minus 72. Therefore 9x equals to 288 degrees. X equals to 288 upon 9, that is equals to 32 degrees. Now x is 32 degrees. Therefore, angles of quadrilateral are first one is 32 degrees or 32 into pi by 1. Now 4 6 are 4 4 are 16 and 4 5 are 20 and 4 8 are 22. 8 pi by 55 degrees. Second one 32. Now 2x equals to 2 into 32, that is 64 degrees or 64 into pi by 1. 64 into pi by 180, that is equals to radians. Number 2, 3x. 3 into 32, that is 96 degrees or 96 into pi by 1. That is 24 pi by 45 radians. Now 8 pi by 15 radians. 24 pi by 40 is 8 pi by 15 radians, and last one 4x, that is 4 into 32, that is 120 degrees. 120 degrees or 128 to pi by 1. That is equals to 3 4 the 4 3 the division by 3 4 3 the 3 4 the 12 4 3 the 12 4 2 the 8 upon 45 degree radians. Now angles of a quadrilateral are, first one is 2 pi by 5 or 72 degrees, and remaining three are 64 degree or 16 pi by 45 radians, 96 degree or 8 pi by 15 radians, 128 degree or 32 pi by 45 degrees. This completes the question number 12, students. Thank you.